Good morning again, boys and girls. I hope that you've had time to complete this beautifully after we spoke before about what you needed to do, and then you went and did it so well on your own. So let's see how you did. So now you can check on your page as I do it with you. So the first thing you needed to do was read this, and then, which we did together, and then you had to circle the verbs, which are doing words in the poem. So I'm going to use some colors to do that. I'll start with red, and we'll start in the title, the name of the poem. Hop a little. Can you hop? Yes, so hop is a verb. So I'm going to circle that. Then I'm going to maybe use blue, and I think I'm just going to use red and blue. I'll make it into a pattern. So hop a little, hop. Can you hop? Yes, so hop. Jump a little. Can you jump? Yes. Can you No. Can you little? No. Can you one? No. Can you two? No. Can you three? No. Run? Can you run? Yes. Oh, and I'm supposed to be doing it in red and blue. Sorry about that. Run. A little. Skip. Can you skip? Yes. So skip. And I'll go back to blue. Tap, tap. Can you tap on something? Not the tap where the water comes out of. Can you tap? Yes, you can. And you can do that on your knee. So tap. Tap. Bend a little. Can you bend? Yes. Stretch a little. Can you stretch? Yes. Oops, I missed the out there. Nod your head. Can you nod? Yes. Can you yaw? No. Can you head? No. Yawn a little. Can you yawn? Yes. Sleep a little. Can you sleep? Yes. In your bed. Can you in your bed? No. You can get into your bed. You can sleep in your bed, but you can't in your bed. So we've done the first question. We've done all those verbs. So now let's have a look what you did here. Write the doing word or the verb for each picture. So the first one was skip. And you needed to copy it carefully out of the poem. So there's skip. Just check that you've written it correctly, and I hope that your P has a tail and not jumping up there, that he jumps up into the capital P line. And we said this one was stretch. Even though he's bending his knees, he's stretching his arms out. This one you should have been able to see without copying it. Run, run. Bend. And I said he's really bending to try and touch those toes. He's even bending the toes up so that his fingers can touch them, because he's got a little bit of a fat tummy to go right over to touch those toes. Sleep. And there was sleep a little. And the last one, yawn. So check those, that you got them right. I hope that you're following and that you are going tick, 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 tick. But you're checking carefully that your spelling's correct and that your tails are in the correct place, and it's beautifully done with a nice sharp pencil. Right, let's have a look on the other page. So now we had to circle the rhyming words, and when we circle, I like to use a colour. So I'm going to use purple and orange. Remember, rhyming words sound the same. So they gave you knee. So I'm going to circle knee. And which one sounds like knee? Little. 3. 3, knee. Yes. So we don't even need to look at the last one because that's bed, and we've already found the rhyming word, knee and 3. Now I'm going to use orange. Head sounds like bed. Yes, head and bed. So that one was the first word. It doesn't sound like head and 2. No. Head and run. No. Then this one, I asked you to change because they've made a mistake here. This one should be nod. Nod your head. And that's how we cross out one neat line, not a big scribble. Right. See, we all make mistakes, even books. Nod. 1. No. Nod. Jump. No. Nod. Rod. Yes. So nod and rod. And then orange again. This one I said was the same. That was a little bit too easy for you, clever boys and girls. Right, so bed and skip, bed and head, yes. Let's just check, bed and me, no. I think maybe that the person who wrote this was a little bit tired when they did this and they needed to go to bed because they made 2 mistakes. So they made that mistake, not instead of nod, and then they did head and bed twice. So maybe they need a big sleep and not just a little sleep in their bed. Right, now I'm going to use another colour because we have to circle the meanings that are the same as the word they've given. So I'll circle little, big and little. No, big and little are opposites. They're not the same. Little and small. Yes, if you've got something small, it is little. So that could be the answer. Let's just check. Little and sad. No, little and sad aren't opposites, but they're different. So little and small are the same. I'm going to use another colour. Sleep. Right, what word is the same as sleep? Sleep and run? No, those are very different. Sleep and jump? No. And sleep and nap. Remember, a nap is a little sleep. And we've been speaking about all little things in the poem. Just a little jump, just a little hop. 1, 2, 3. So sleep and nap are the same. Right, and then your capital letters and full stops in the sentences. I'm going to remember when you write, you need to do it in a pencil. With a pencil, sorry. Right, I like to run. So let's see their mistakes. I is always a capital when it's on its own, But in this sentence, it starts the sentence too, and we start with capitals. So I like to run. See my spaces between my words, that it's not one big to run, okay, that we can't even read it. And we've left off a full stop. The next one, the frog likes to hop. Question? No. It's not saying can the frog hop? Exclamation? The frog likes to hop? No, we're just saying the frog likes to hop. So it's a normal sentence that we just need a full stop at the end. But they've left off the capital for the first letter of the sentence. The frog, and that's a spelling word, frog, likes to hop, full stop. And there you would have got tick, 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 tick. Well done, boys and girls. There were lots of things. Verbs, rhyming words, same meanings, and your punctuation that we've been working so hard on. Well done.